Some rosaries are made for prayer, and then there are rosaries that tell the story of the world: unity, faith, culture, hope. This is more than just a devotional item. It's a journey across continents, an embrace between peoples, a missionary rosary created for those who believe in a shared future. This rosary is an exclusive creation of our shop, Mondo Cattolico, designed for those who wish to carry their prayer beyond borders. It features a full metal structure with finely linked crystal beads, elegant, durable, luminous, and above all, full of meaning. The colors of the beads are not random. Each one represents a continent forming the very heart of the missionary message. Green for Africa, symbol of its vast forests and of hope. It is also a sacred color for many Muslims, representing dialogue and respect. Red for America, the color of the skin of its first peoples, but also of passion and faith flowing across this immense land. White for Europe, like the robe worn by the Pope, a symbol of spiritual unity and leadership, a call to tradition and to the living heart of the Church. Blue for Oceania, echoing the ocean that surrounds and protects it, and the spirit that unites distant islands under a single sky. Yellow for Asia, cradle of ancient civilizations, land of the rising sun, rich in cultures, languages, and beliefs, a bridge between the past and the future. This rosary is an invitation to encounter, to fraternity, and to the universal embrace of all cultures. And to support this message, it comes with an illustrated booklet explaining the symbolism and meaning behind each color and element. The centerpiece is truly a work of art. On the front, Our Lady of Lourdes with the Shepherd Boy, beautifully detailed in color and raised relief, crafted with great devotion. On the back, a small relic capsule holds authentic Lourdes holy water, a tangible fragment of grace and hope. The cross is simple yet unique, enameled in the 5 colors of the continents, with a soft, rounded shape that almost resembles a flower blooming from faith. The rosary comes in a blue case with a perfectly shaped interior to safely hold and preserve it, designed to protect and honor its spiritual beauty. On the lid, a striking image, the Virgin Mary holding a globe with the rosary draped upon it, a powerful symbol of universal prayer and mission. Inside the box, you'll also find the illustrated booklet about the continents and their meanings. This is not just any rosary. It is a symbol, a message. The World Missionary Rosary, exclusively from Mondo Cattolico, available only here, for those who wish to pray with a heart open to the world. But wait, there's something more. Each rosary can be personalized even further, with the addition of a delicate charm or a custom engraved message. It becomes not just a devotional item, but a heartfelt gift, deeply personal, truly unforgettable. Discover it, cherish it, and carry it with you wherever you go. Thank you for spending this time with us. If this video inspired you, please leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone you love. For more sacred gifts, inspiration, and updates, visit our website and follow us on social media. And here's a little gift for you. Use the code YouTube10 at checkout to enjoy 10% off your next purchase. See you soon, and may peace and blessings be with you always.